Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make New York cheesecake. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 24 ounces of full-fat cream cheese, 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, and 1 cup of sour cream. For the crust, combine 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan. This creates the perfect foundation for your rich cheesecake. Now, let's create that signature creamy filling. In a large bowl, beat the 24 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1 1/2 cups of sugar until it's light and fluffy. Next, incorporate the 4 large eggs, one at a time, mixing just until combined after each addition. Finally, gently fold in 1 cup of sour cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Remember, overmixing can introduce too much air, leading to cracks, so mix just enough to combine everything beautifully. Baking a New York cheesecake often involves a water bath, which ensures even cooking and prevents cracking. First, wrap your 9-inch springform pan tightly with 2 layers of heavy-duty aluminum foil. Place this into a larger roasting pan. Carefully pour hot water into the roasting pan, ensuring it comes about 1 inch up the sides of the springform pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 75 minutes, or until the edges are set. The cooling process is crucial for a perfect New York cheesecake. Once baked, turn off your oven and leave the cheesecake inside with the door ajar for 1 hour. This gradual cooling prevents sudden temperature changes that can cause cracks. After this, remove it from the water bath and let it cool completely on a wire rack at room temperature. Finally, refrigerate the cheesecake for a minimum of 6 hours, or ideally overnight, before slicing and serving. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.